Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be playing Banana Eats. Wait,
Yeah.
I just gotta turn down this volume.
Oh.
Okay, so let's. No, thank you.
Sure.
Okay, well let's get started. I'm in game. God.
Oh God.
Oh, I just saw you get in by the Banana
I
Eats.
am literally done playing because
Are
I'm
you
just
gonna get me banana? Huh? I got you then. Okay, that was the worst part. I gotta hide here. Oh my god. Oh my god.
you literally just ended me in 1 minute.
I lost.
You literally found me first, and I was the first one eaten in this place.
I always check out the leaderboard. Second place, first place, first place, second place. Oh wow.
Where am I?
You're in fifth place, fourth place, fifth place, and sixth place.
Okay.
Well, that's not really bad.
Third one was good, so okay.
Yeah. I'm just gonna turn up the volume just a little bit. I need to see what's going on.
Me too.
Okay.
How do you do that?
It's already up all the way.
And we're gonna
There, I think two's good.
perfect.
It sounds so creepy for some reason.
I know it's not
This
pretty.
is level 16 that, I don't know what that means, but whatsoever.
It's a evilized banana. It's.
I got these.
Wait, go up. You have this one.
I know.
Oh,
I wish I could.
how do I go on?
I saw a cool one. It's so weird. I'm trying to find it. Oh god, where could it be? Oh, this one.
I have this one.
Me too. I like this one.
I
Really.
only have two.
That's so weird.
That's why I've been in. Olivia says 700.
Look, she got all of them. What the heck?
Don't say that to everybody.
Well, that's not what it is.
Can you help me out? Help me out.
There. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Go for the.
I was gonna go for that.
I love that one. That's my favorite.
Yeah, our most favorite is this one.
Escape, of course.
Ah, fell off again.
I really like banana split, but I would go for escape.
I really want banana skip, but I really wish I was it.
Banana Eats.
I wish I'm not it.
She's it.
I'm it.
Like, I wish I was not it, but you were.
I want to be it, okay?
But we cannot.
Your banana's gonna be out in no time.
Oof, oh my god, you're scaring me already.
Yanni, help me up. Help.
Oh. There, you just walk and you look. Oh gosh.
There's a person.
I'm scared.
Why am I the banana, huh?
Your chances are weird.
I want to. Oh, I hate being banana.
Oh my god, she's so close.
But I hear my
Now she's not. She's not close.
I want to eat a person.
I'm running. I'm glad
Why?
I have this.
I'm glad I have you in this game so I can eat you. I'm in the blue section right now, so no. Yummy. I got your heart. Girl, why don't you just run and get out of here, big butt? You better run. I'm in the red section right now. Where you are?
Oh gosh.
Roar. You're in the lockers, I think. Are you in lockers or not?
No, not yet.
Because I don't know where you are. I possibly don't know.
I'm so scared.
I don't know where you are. Where the heck is she?
This thing is white, so that's good.
You're
You're not close to me.
Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. Because I found a person. Then I see someone with pink hair.
Be quiet.
Is there anybody in there? You know I can find. I just say the person. Because it said
No, you didn't. It still says 7, so you didn't get any.
Yummy.
He's right by you, dude.
Yummy.
I'm running. I don't care. I'm risking my life.
Why are you risking? I almost ate. Yummy. Haha. I got a person.
Aliana.
Aliana, I ate someone.
Nice. Okay. She's not close to me anywhere, so which is really good.
I have no idea where this.
Oh man, oh man.
Huh. She's not it. Yummy.
Escape. Come on. I gotta escape. I gotta escape. I gotta go. I gotta escape. I gotta. Hello there. I escaped. I was right next to you, but you didn't give me. Oh,
I'm gonna
aye,
eat.
Captain. Oh, that scared me.
I was gonna eat you in pieces.
I got it. I'm really glad that you didn't eat me. Oof.
I was gonna be glad by it.
My heart. Game over.
Damn, are you?
Oh my.
Him.
Everyone escaped instead of him. Oh, my heart is beating so
I
fast.
can't believe I had one person use no seven.
I'm starting to get cold, so I have a blanket, which is good. Oh, that scared me really.
I'm gonna be right back.
That really scared me.
I'm being right back.
Okay, what a coincidence. Oh gosh. This one. Field High School. Oh, you went to go get your drink.
Yes, I want to go to my car.
Do you need help?
Yes. Quit. It's starting. Who's it?
I don't know.
I think it's you. Yep.
You were it, then I'm it. What a coincidence.
Yeah, we're sisters.
That's so weird.
That's so weird. I hope you don't get it.
Look at this. I wish the banana was like that.
I wish you had hands and Come here, mommy. I'm not
Oh
your
god,
mom.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
I'm crawling.
I'm stuck.
I'm crawling.
Hi.
Banana.
Yes, I am, ma'am.
You are not going to eat me for the rest of your life, okay?
I just need a person.
You can't look at my screen.
Hi. It's just nice to meet you.
Nah, man.
Let's
I'm
be
dead.
friends.
I'm dead.
Why are you not walking? I don't get it.
I don't want to walk.
Why is everyone not asleep?
Hey,
I'm getting so
I'm
many
in
people
the
right
game
now.
already.
Shh, shh, I'm just gonna skip. Third person. Let's go. I'm gonna leave. There. Make some money. Give me away. That is really cool. I'm trying to help.
Yanni. I'm Eliana. The next one, we should click down so there should be so many bananas.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm clicking it. So many people will.
Fucking so slow.
What the?
You just joined the game and you already got eaten. Nice. People are so weird. Oh, I got 3 players left.
I brought you a frappuccino.
See you. Man, do you want to just skip you for like... Oh, I got 2 more people left.
Girl, you are good at this. How do you skip?
Why does everyone keep joining? I don't understand. Yes!
Can't go through there. Somebody's there.
Oh my god, that's right. I don't see anyone.
I don't. It's just for. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know how much I'm going.
Okay, someone's trying to hurry.
There's a lot of time left.
Puzzle. 2 minutes. Oh man.
Okay guys, I think we're gonna end it here, so have a wonderful day. Bye!